Ramps can be expensive, especially if you need a full size ramp or a long distance type ramp. They can be expensive. But not to fear. If you're looking into a possible wheelchair in your future, there are quite a few organizations that will build a ramp for you at little cost to absolutely free. It just depends on the organization. I'm going to leave some links down below in the description box of those groups that if you call them, if you email them with your need, they will put you on the schedule. Now, there are organizations per state, per county, per region of the United States. So there are all kinds of organizations throughout the United States. I don't know in your country or in yours, but you might find a group of volunteers who are willing to come over and build you a ramp for your home. Hopefully 2 ramps, one for the entrance and one for a back door. Really, really healthy to have 2 entrance and exits for your home in case there's an emergency. So keep that in mind, that if you need a ramp in the front, you probably need a ramp in the back or the side door. Keep that in mind, truly, because when emergencies hit, and there's no working around it. So make sure you have a ramp for both doors. And I will leave it at that. I will put the links down below. One is a list of, you click on the state you live on, or live in, sorry. Live on. Well, you do live on it. You don't live inside it. But never mind. My vocabulary is going out the window. But it's really important to be brave and send a message to one of these organizations. Be patient with them because they take a few weeks to a couple of months to put you on the calendar and get to you to build that ramp. They will do an assessment of your home and see what the critical needs are. Do mention the back door or the side door so that you have another exit in case of an emergency. You might need more than that. I don't know the situation of your home, but do check with family as well, or a GoFundMe account so that you can also raise some funds if you need a bedroom for the first floor or something like that. That might be a critical thought if you own the home. Obviously, if you are renting and all of a sudden you had a life-altering accident, there you might have to think of another place to live. And I know that's hard, but sometimes it happens to the best of us. But if you own the home and you really need that ramp before the wheelchair situation happens, look at these links, email them. Organizations come and go. So some organizations no longer exist. Some new ones have popped up. So you also have to kind of be aware of that. I will put some random organizations and then the state by state organizations, and you just click on the state that you live in and see what is available. All right, folks, any questions about ramps? There are metal ramps, there are wood ramps, and all kinds of types of ramps. So have that discussion with the organization or the group that's going to build you the ramp so that you can look at the appropriate materials for you. If your volunteer group has never built a ramp in their life, there are models and measurements on the internet. So have them look it up on their phones or their computers, and there's all kinds of models and measurements for a variety of different types of ramps. Check it out.